Another day, another English lesson. Using apostrophes with nouns ending in S.
Hello everyone. In English, we use apostrophes to show possession, to indicate that something belongs to someone or something. This explanation will help you understand how to show possession when a noun ends in the letter S, which can sometimes be confusing. 1. Singular nouns ending in S. These are nouns that refer to one person or one thing, and they already end in the letter S. Examples include James, the boss, Mark's. To show possession, add apostrophe plus S at the end of the word, James's book, the boss's office. Marx's theories. Even though these words end in S, the standard form is still to add apostrophe plus S. This helps make the possessive form clear in both writing and pronunciation.
However, there is one exception. For names that end in S, like James or Charles, it is also acceptable to use just an apostrophe at the end. James's book, Charles's speech. Both forms, James's and James's, are correct. It's a style choice. But this shorter form is only allowed with proper names ending in S. It is not allowed with ordinary nouns. For example, the boss's office is incorrect. The word bosses does not clearly show possession. The correct form is the boss's office. 2. Plural nouns. Ending in S. These are nouns that refer to more than one person or thing, and they already end in S. For example, dogs, teachers, the Smiths. To show possession, simply add an apostrophe after the final S. The dog's bowls, the teacher's lounge, the Smith's house. Do not add another S after the apostrophe. The following forms are incorrect. The dog's bowls, the Smith's house. The correct forms are the dog's bowls, the Smith's house.
3. Joint and separate possession. When two people share one thing, you add apostrophe plus S to the second name only Kim and Alex's apartment, one shared apartment. When each person has their own separate thing, you add apostrophe plus S to both names Kim's and Alex's passports, two separate passports. This rule stays the same even if the names end in S.
Now watch and add an apostrophe or an apostrophe plus S to the nouns ending in S. One, James's book was missing after the meeting, and the boss's office was locked. 2. Marx's theories influenced the professor's lecture about economic systems. Three Lois' phone rang loudly during James's speech. Four, Thomas's shoes were near Agnes's umbrella by the door. Five, the students' desks were messy and the teachers' meeting ran late. Six, the cat's fur was all over the neighbor's porch. 7. Tom and Mary's apartment is on the top floor, with Lily and Mark's balcony just below. 8. George and Sam's party was fun, but Anna and Kate's decorations were better. 9. Peter's and Maria's passports were lost. 10. Les's bike was next to Alice's helmet in the hallway. 11. James's coat and the students' bags were left in the classroom. 12. Charles's backpack was leaning against the dog's cage in the garage. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language lessons.